In this video, I'll show you how to use a USB drive on any smart TV to watch videos, view photos, or listen to music easily. Step 1. Prepare your USB drive. Make sure your USB drive is formatted to a compatible file system like FAT32 or exFAT. Copy your videos, photos, or music files onto the USB drive. Step 2. Plug the USB drive into your TV. Find the USB port on your smart TV, usually on the side or back. Insert the USB drive into the port. Step 3. Open the USB drive on your TV. Turn on your TV and press the Home or Source/Input button on your remote. I'll look for the USB option or Media Player app. Select your USB drive from the list. Step 4. Browse and play files. Use your remote to browse folders and files on the USB drive. Select a video, photo, or music file to play or view it on your TV. Tips: if your files don't show up, make sure they are in a format supported by your TV. Check your TV manual for supported video and audio file types. Safely eject your USB drive from the TV before unplugging it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.